Okra, vegetables, tomatoes, oils, onions, all the necessary ingredients that I will need for my cooking. All of you should enter inside. I'm so excited for this fresh meal. Look at these beautiful tomatoes and okra. Yes! I don't have too much stress. Tomatoes stand and enter inside pots. I don't have too much stress. Okra stand and enter inside pots. I forgot fish. Let me go and get one. Woo! Fresh fish time. Yes, it's mixing perfectly. Yes, the fish soup is done and it smells amazing. Time to taste it. Wow, I'm enjoying myself. Come and join me. Wow, I'm enjoying myself. Come and join me.